me está maquillando mientras Claudia me está enseñando español. Gracias, Claudia. Adiós.
Adiós.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Perfecto. Besos.
Bye bye.
Bye. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, man down. Man down. Oh, no. Here it comes. Here it comes. Now? Oh shit, we ran out of time. Now here it comes. Something journey, you and me. I just messed up everything. I'm sorry, I messed up everything. I messed up my hair and I messed up my lips.
Gotta
but
fix everything.
Gotta fix it all. Okay, now we're on our way.
7 years later.
Give me that. Get down. Get down. Get down. 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 Lower. 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 Meg is though.
Yeah.
It's like I have two heads.
Oh yeah.
Now that I killed Katya,
Okay.
who's next? Pew 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 pew.
Most powerful handgun in the world.
And there was only one left alive.
I was born ready.
Before
Actually, no, there's another scene or two to go. Then we can shoot your scene.
Now to film another video with this one, and that one, and that one, and that one, and that one, well, kind of, and that one, and that one, ooh. And now we're filming another one. Ready, Stro? Let's go. Longest day filming, directing, ever. But got so much done and now I need to get to bed for an early morning. Estoy muy cansado. Buenas noches, mi amor. Besos.